Hey, what is up, you guys? I'm going to the gym right now. Gotta get that fitness in before any adventures. I'm doing some legs, so that'll be fun. Just did the Zion trip yesterday, so I don't think that'll affect my lifts. Maybe not, maybe so. But today's adventure, it is still raining in this freaking town. As you guys can see, the windows are pretty wet still, and this camera's falling everywhere. And basically today's adventure, I want to, so there's like these drain pipes. They're not like, it's like a sewer. It kind of sounds gross. Sewer is kind of gross, you know, but they're like drain pipes, and I want to get longboards or like floaties, like floaty devices to go flying down if water's coming out, because it is raining. So I don't know if there's gonna be water flying out, but if there is, then we want to do floaties. But if it's not, then we want to do longboards and just go flying down the sewer, or the water drainage pipes, or whatever you want to call them. So gym first, then adventure. Gotta get that fitness in, so I'll see you guys at the gym.
We're racking 35 mil at age 8.
Must be nice. We're all A7'd up.
Hey.
Woo! We got his belt. We got my belt. We both got the same wristbands. Let's go. Good gym session. Let's go.
Let's go. Bro, I'm light.
What do you got?
160.
160?
168. Woo!
It's like barely staying still.
Yeah, I know.
What do you got from high? What do you?
You drive?
No, I ate this morning.
Well, 39.
No.
I have no idea.
142. How'd that feel, sir? The 225. 225 for, I did 30. That was my highest score was 30. You gotta beat it. You got what, 20 pounds on me? You got 20 pounds on me or so? He's got about 30 more pounds than me. And I did 30 reps of, yeah, I did 30 reps of 225, and he's got about 30 pounds on me. I'm at 140, you're at
168, so I got 26 pounds.
So you got 26 pounds on me, and let's see if he can.
You do 30, I do 40.
All right, you said it, not me.
I said it.
Let's go. Let's go. We got Isaiah doing his set, 4 sets of 6, 225 tempo bench, and then we got my buddy Anthony warming up for the 225 challenge. He's gonna try to beat my challenge. I did 30 reps of 225s. What do you say you're getting?
40.
He's going for 40. We're going for 40. We got a what? 20? What did you say? 26 pound gap? 26 pound weight gap. So he's throwing the excuses. He doesn't squat in joggers.
I bought my behind.
Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Nope. Catch me if I don't get it.
Yeah, I got you. Do you want it? What do you want your rack at? You want it 15, 14?
14.
14? Okay, we gotta put it up one. Short guy. Might as well try. You get what you get. And this is like a you get what you put in kind of situation.
I'm working out.
Let's see what you put in. You ready?
No.
No. You got your back chalked? You got your weight set for you? All you gotta do is do now. You got it.
I gotta do it too?
You got it. Let's go. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Nope. Fuck no. Oh, come on.
27. Oh, 27.
No way.
Good battle, good battle. Good battle, bro. It's a killer, huh? On your lower back, it kills.
Can't feel my head.
Yeah.
Lightheaded.
You alright?
Yeah.
Breathe. 27. It's hard. It's a battle.
I wanted more, but.
So I had a challenge of 225 for as many reps as possible. He got 27, I got 30. I don't have it on film, obviously, but if I did, I would show you guys.
You got me.
I got you. I got you. You got something to work towards, though, now. You know. Good job. Good battle. Heck yeah.
Dude, that was good.
That was awesome, bro.
I wanted more, but I just feel like dying.
Do you have any aftermath? What you think you could have done better for your 225 reps, max? What do you think you could have done better?
Paced it more.
Paced? Mine was breathing, and my lower back was killing me. You said you had the leg strength, right? It was just your breathing.
Yeah, I'm not breathing right. My head, back of my head started hurting.
Yeah, you gotta. So it's like a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking during it. I was like,
You gotta.
banging them out too fast.
You gotta pace yourself.
I got
Just
caught.
like in like a freaking track race, you can't just sprint the whole time. You know, you just gotta keep a good pace and do as best as you can. So
I got caught.
it is what it is. Good battle though.
Oh yeah.
So we just finished up our workout at the gym. I'm gonna go edit a little bit, and then we're gonna get on with today's adventure at the tunnel. So it's gonna be exciting, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we are at the location where we have to park and then hike the rest. I'm setting up my towels for when I come back so my muddy shoes don't get my carpets all filthy. I got another one for the seat right here, but we got a little gnarly hike. I got my homie right here with me. Then we're gonna get the longboard and then we're gonna start this adventure. So see you guys start the montage actually now. It's so muddy.
That's so bad.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro?
It's flooded out here completely.
So bad, dude. Oh my god.
Hopefully the water tunnel isn't completely flooded.
I know, or else we're gonna have a freaking water slide.
A water slide. It is absolutely pouring out here. We're walking through straight puddles.
Pretty sick.
This is such a good video, guys. Oh god, there's a freaking river, bro.
I know.
What the heck? Oh god, it is flooding out what we are gonna come out through. This is gonna be insane.
Look at this.
Look at this. How are we gonna get across? This is gonna be insane. What the frick? So we're going in this tunnel right here with our longboards, and we're gonna just try to fly down it. We're gonna get soaked, but we got towels in the cars waiting for us. So
I'm taking a shower when I get home.
yeah, like and subscribe, man. We're out here doing this crazy stuff, so you guys can watch it.
I could have picked another day, but why
This
not?
is the good day. Oh god, look
Not a
at
normal
it.
day. Dude, this is gonna be a big jump. Oh my god.
We're trying to find a way around the river. We don't want soggy socks the whole video. Do you think we can jump this? No, I don't think we can jump this, bro. It gets swept in the...
Dude, look at that, bro.
It's so slippery, you can't get a running start. That's
Dude,
the plan.
we're like deers trying to find a way around. We're not trying to get eaten by crocodiles or something.
I like the example. Great example. Yeah, so we have the idea. We're gonna be walking in that tunnel and our feet are gonna get wet anyway, so we're just gonna take off our shoes. So we've been trying to walk down this whole freaking river, trying to find like a little spot to get across, but we're just gonna take off our shoes and get our...
Wild man.
Yeah, we're gonna go wild man, Tarzan, taking our shoes off.
Look how nasty that is.
Woo! God, this is a mess.
Oh my.
Alright, I think this is the time for the head strap. I don't think I can hold my GoPro in my hand. Woo! This is cold! Ah! It's so cold! It is freezing! Woo! That was cold! You're up!
Oh, there you go.
Cold, huh?
There we go.
Let's see if we can make it tumble without falling.
That's a lot, dude. That is so much. You get that?
Yeah, mine. So if it rains, our shoes don't get completely soaked.
The cubbies.
It's time to get the lights on. You can't see a thing, it is pitch black. We're about halfway through this tunnel already now. We're pretty far in. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but we're going through this massive tunnel. It's about, you can almost stand up. It's pretty close. All right, let's keep this journey going. It's kind of creepy standing in this thing.
Is it like smushy?
No, it's just like, you don't know if it's like super deep or not, you know? We got a manhole up there. So crazy. So we've been through like 3 different holes, tunnels. I think this is the last. I think this is the last tunnel actually. My freaking longboard is sinking. So let's keep going, I guess. It's kind of the quiet point, like a little break point, you know. You got 2 lights on you.
I think I'm good. And then maybe one more light and everything. Maybe I'll look.
Let's get this journey going. There's a bunch of black widows and the eggs, so I think this is their stopping point. You ready to go down?
I think so.
I say we go down.
I don't want to first though.
I don't want to mess with the black widows though. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this on the road. Let's go. It's gonna be fun. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Here's the fast one.
we'll go
3, 2, 1.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
We're stuck! Imagine that skateboard hit my toe.
along the way, melodies we haven't played.
Alright, we got it.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're slipping, but we're having a good time.
We'll grow in number, fueled to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
That was so much fun, dude.
Like,
We got a little dirty. I'm a little muddy. My feet aren't actually that bad. I thought we were gonna be a lot more muddy. I'm definitely wet, but
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be muddy too.
I thought we were gonna be.
nothing.
I thought we were gonna be like completely mudded out. Let's get the clothes on and let's get back to the vehicles. Put some warm clothes on. Alright, so we're both in our cars and we've decided this is not the end of the video. We're gonna go to a hot tub and get warmed up and just enjoy ourselves. So see you guys there. I got towels for us. Alright, I think we're ending off the video here. We just got a good hot tub session in. We're all warmed up. Gonna go home, get cleaned up, and edit this video for you guys. If you guys dug this video, like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.